Hi there everyone, and welcome to Wednesday. I hope that you're all okay. To all the family members and subscribers, thank you so much for being here. I appreciate you all. Please keep the comments coming. I will answer them. And to those of you who have shown concern about my father, I thank you for that. He will be moving into a hotel for 5 days while the work is done, which will be a lot better for him. He did have the option of going back on an evening, but he would have to be out of his house at 8 o'clock in the morning and not return until 5. And at 95 years old, where's he going to go? So, he's going to a hotel and everything will be fine, I'm sure. It's his birthday today. 95 years old today. A milestone that he says he never expected to reach. But there we go. He has. Right folks, another taste test. And this is a Carlos pizza, fully loaded Detroit style deep steak cut, fully loaded with beef strips, mozzarella, cheddar cheese, marinated peppers, grilled onions and topped with a creme fraiche sauce. Now at this moment in time I have no idea how much it was. I will have to look on my receipt and I'll put it in the write-up. 15 to 17 minutes in an oven from Aldi, and this is cooked beef strips, maize starch, salt, dextrose, rapeseed oil, rice flour, cheddar cheese, mozzarella cheese, marinated grilled red peppers, sunflower oil, sugar, salt, concentrated lemon juice, dried garlic, chili powder, marinated grilled onions, mustard, spiced plum puree, cinnamon powder, yeast, rapeseed oil, broad bean flour, olive oil, creme fraiche, durum wheat, semolina, paprika flakes, pea starch, dried herbs, potato starch and dried garlic. Your allergy warnings in this one are for milk, wheat and mustard and rye, and you get 417 grams. I'll show you what it looks like folks. I'm going to bring it up here because I've got a different tripod today. So that's what that one looks like. And as always, it's down to the taste test. So I'll put that there for now. Get a knife. And here we are folks. There's some of it, look. I'm going to have to sort this tripod situation out. The base is nice, it's fairly thick. We'll see what it tastes like. If you can hear something grunting in the background, it's a little black Staffordshire Bull Terrier. Oh. That surprised me there. That was the sweetness of the tomato is amazing. Oh well, what can I do for you? Alright. What can I do for you, my little friend? Eh? Just a minute, just a minute. It's very sweet, as I say. The base is okay. Not keen on the steak. The steak is tough, very, very chewy. Come on then, baby. Right, okay. That one. It doesn't have your classic pizza taste at all. I'll be perfectly honest, I don't know what I was expecting because I've never had one before. But for me, it's actually more like eating a dessert. Come here, mate. Come on, come on, baby. Come on. Hey, there you go. Oh. It's not something that I will buy again. It's far too sweet for me. I prefer the savoury kind of pizza. The meat is like chewing rubber. For me personally, this doesn't work. No. Can you hear her now having a drink? I don't know. She loves to get involved. Yeah, I'm very disappointed with that. I knew. That's why I bought it. Seriously, you could put custard on that. It's so sweet, it's ridiculously sweet. I wouldn't buy it again. I wouldn't recommend it. 3 out of 10, and I think that's being generous. Right folks, I hope you've enjoyed what you've seen. If you have, please hit that like button, leave a comment in the box below, hit the bell icon for any future uploads, and if you've not yet subscribed to the channel, please consider doing so. It won't cost you a penny, helps the channel grow, and we become part of that bigger community. So as always, I will say to you all, Namaste. Have a wonderful Wednesday everyone. Bye for now.